All right. It's Saturday. It's 6 p.m. Thank you, everyone. So I just quickly just to have this. Let's have this closing session. So it's been a wonderful 2 days, and here I just show a picture or photos of like different talks and panel discussions, and then. Please, we have more photos in our shared folder. Please check them out. So this is the first days. We have different talks, and then this is from today. All right. So with this, first I'd like to I would like have. A huge thanks to all the invited speakers. So I know some of them are very busy, they already left, but still nevertheless, let's thank them again. Next, I'd like to send a special thanks to the supporting faculty members. So Daniel worked together with SAP to give us this very interesting tutorial on LSTM from SAP's group. And then Chris moderated a wonderful session, panel discussion yesterday, and Jay and Nina organized a social event session, and Ben helped us to chair the session. So it's that day. All of them are not here, but still, let's thank them. And this time we have 4 wonderful industry sponsors: Kibla, Sparkasa, Infineon, and Amazon. And a huge thanks to all our industry sponsors. And this summer school wouldn't have been possible without the great support from my colleagues, from our whole organizing team. So some of you in this room, please come to the stage. I have a special gift for you. So this is special tea from China.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I can't read it, but I'm sure it's good. Laurie? And Martin, our great photographer. And special thanks for my for my students and postdoc as well, and me figured out the Wi-Fi access in the last minute. Thank you, a huge thanks. And finally, special thanks to all the participants for your contributions and engagement for the past 2 days. And have a safe trip back home. And for those of you continue travel the journey to Vietnam to attend ACL 2025, wish you have a great experience at ACL and see you around. Thank you.